24-mile-per-hour winds. It's 24 miles per hour. Look at the damage it's doing now. It's knocking down my chairs. The towel's trying to take off my towel. It's gonna fly. I know it's gonna fly my towel away. And knock out. It just knocked down my drone, my very old drone. My broken drone. Knocked down. This wind speed's going very fast. Look at all this damage it's doing. Knocked down my plant. I swear this tree will knock down if it goes any higher. So in case this wind is going so fast. Because it might take a while for this to come off, for that thing to come off. That tape, that towel. You see that damage right there? It's the string is damaged. It's damaging the string a bit. There it goes, the wind. See, chairs just tipped over. My broken drone just knocked down, and my plant just knocked down. This wind can blow hard at any time, at all times. Yeah, my drone. At least this wind speed is currently gone wild. This windstorm. The wind speed has currently gone wild, and it will blow harder. Let's see if it gets hard again and it might knock down that chair. Oh, look at that. It just, bends over like that. The winds are very fast. Wind gusting is moving on, I think. It's gonna be high winds. There is gonna be high winds, and look at that. Thank you. Well, look at this. Well, he said the max will be 24, but I don't know if it's gonna be. I don't know if that's gonna be the maximum wind speed for today. 24. That all that wind gust is gusting the chair. But if I move this chair at the actual side, I don't know what it's gonna do. So let's just see what's gonna do. Because I don't think it's not blowing very hard right now. This will happen again. So please make sure that any winds or higher don't damage your house. Well, there are people that record the wind speeds, these high wind speeds. They record 30-mile-per-hour wind, 40-mile-per-hour wind, 50, and then 60, then 70 and 80, and 90 or 100, or 200 if they're